So cos x plus cos square x is equal to 1 sin to the power of, then find the value of sin to the power of 8x plus 2 into sin to the power of 6x plus sin to the power of 4x. So then find the value. So here generally when we write the x, suppose if you write x is equal to 0, it becomes 2. X is equal to 30, root 3 by 2 and the 3 by 2 is not equal to 1. Okay? So whatever given the equation which sorted, for example cos 180 is minus 1, cos square 180 is plus 1, 0 it becomes. That means the given equation sometimes it is not possible to verify the question. So what we do here? So you have to follow the basics. So listen, generally from this question we write, so cos x is equal 1 minus cos square x. Cos x is equal sin square x. You repeated to. Okay. So then here substitute sin power 8x. So sin square x is equal to cos x, no? Sin power 8x means cos power 4x plus sin 2 cos cube x. Sin power 6x means cos cube x plus sin square x whole square cos square x. Then this can be expressed as cos square x plus cos x whole square. Observe here, a square cos power 4x plus 2ab, 2 into cos square into cos x, 2 cos cube x, and b square cos square x. Then it becomes 1. Because given question is cos x plus cos square x is 1. So 1 square means 1. So we do like this. Next. Already I told one problem, but once again I will repeat that. So what is that? Yeah, listen. Here 5 sin x, next question, 5 sin x plus 4 cos x, 5 sin x plus 4 cos x is equal to 3. Then find the value of 4 sin x minus 5 cos x. So already this type of problems we done in IP first year. We have nearly 3 or 4 problems there. So very important. So how? Suppose if you want to find this, first of all this value taken as k. Scaling and adding them, you get the result. But on first class, I told one important formula is there. So what is that? A cos x plus b sin x is equal to c. Then a sin x minus b cos x is equal plus or minus under root of a square plus b square minus c square. Based on this, we can find the problem very easy. Okay, so right is nothing but plus or minus under root of 25 plus 16 minus 9 plus or minus under root of 41 minus 9. 41 minus 9 means 13. Or we can write 4 root 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Right. Next. So suppose మనకి ఐపీలో ఈ యొక్క ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది ఈ మోడల్. ఒకవేళ if the problem in terms of tan and sec or cosecant cot, what we do? Here also we have to take to a synopsis. So a sec theta plus b tan theta is equal to c. Then a cot theta plus b cosec theta is equal to plus or minus under root of c square minus a square plus, or we can write b square plus c square minus a square. This is the formula. A tan theta plus a sec theta plus b tan theta is equal to c. Then a tan theta b sec theta. Then its value is plus or minus under root of b square plus c square minus a square. We have to take another identity. A cosec theta plus b cot theta is equal to c. Then a cot theta plus b cosec theta is equal plus or minus under root of b square plus c square minus a square. This is the okay. So you have to remember this form. Next. Next, already, so we know some AP, GP series now. So we have some problems on one condition. So now I am going to tell that condition now. Here, listen. So already we know that AM arithmetic mean is greater or equal to geometric mean. So actually, what is the arithmetic mean? Suppose if A comma B are in AP, suppose AP series lo unnayi, then the arithmetic mean of these two is A plus B by 2. This is arithmetic mean. The same way A comma B comma C are in AP, then B is equal to A plus C, B 2B is equal to A plus C. This is arithmetic mean of three numbers. The way, suppose A comma B are in GP, then what we do here? So geometric mean is equal to root AB now. Any three numbers are in GP, then B square is equal to AC or B is equal to root AC. This is the geometric mean of three numbers. Okay. So we have 1, 2 problems on there. This so do one question. F of x is equal sin square x plus cosec square x. Then f of x is less than 1. Next, the first option. Second option is f of x is equal to 1. Number third, 1 less than f of x less than 2. Number 4, f of x greater or equal to 2. Yeah. Which condition is correct? So, from this we are right. Sin square x plus 1 by sin square x. Cosec square x means 1 by sin square x. Here, this is A, this is B. A, B. Now, here, already we know that the arithmetic mean is always greater or equal geometric mean. AM is greater or equal GM. Based on that, this is A, this is B. What is the arithmetic mean? Sin square x plus 1 by sin square x by 2. Greater or equal. What is the geometric mean? Root AB. That is sin square x into 1 by sin square x. Get cancelled. Then sin square x plus 1 by sin square x is greater or equal. Root 1 by taking cross multiplication 2. That means this is f of x. F of x is always greater or equal to 2. F of x is always greater or equal to 2. Okay. So some problems will do. Next. Afterwards. So in this topic, we have 2 MCET questions. Already we got in the examination. Okay. Right. So here, if cos x is equal tan y, comma cot y is equal tan z, and cot z is equal to tan x. Then find the value of sin x. What is the value of cos x is equal to tan y, cot y is equal to tan z, cot z is equal to tan x. Then find sin x. So here, right. Given values of cos x is equal to tan y, cot y is equal to tan z, we take it. Tan z is equal to cot y right here. Next, cot z is equal to tan x. By product of these three equations, we got cos x into tan z into cot z is equal to tan y into cot y into tan x. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is also 1. Then cos x is equal to tan x. So cos x is equal to sin x by cos x. By taking cross multiplication, cos square x is equal to sin x. So 1 minus sin square x is equal to sin x. Sin square x is equal to, plus sin x minus 1 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in terms of sign. So by using roots minus b plus r minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, from this we can write sin x plus r minus b. Minus b means minus 1 plus r minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. It becomes minus 1 plus r minus root 5 by 2. So here we take only positive value, root 5 minus 1 by 2. This is the answer. This is the value of sin x. Okay. So we got already this question in MCET 2014. Okay, next. Now we discuss another problem. Right. Here, next, we got another MCET question. In MCET 2013 we got here. So listen. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to p and sin cube theta plus cos cube theta is equal to q, then find p into p square minus 3 is equal. Okay, so generally దీన్ని వెరిఫై కూడా అంటే 30 తీసుకుని కూడా చేయొచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఇలా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. కానీ ఆన్సర్ మనకి క్యూలలో ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏదైనా వాల్యూ మనకి ఆప్షన్స్లో న్యూమరల్స్లో ఉంటే వెరిఫై చేసుకుంటే బెటర్. న్యూమరల్స్లో లేదు కాబట్టి దీన్ని మార్చు. అయితే బిఫోర్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై వాట్ డస్ ఇట్. యా లిసన్. sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, because a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So sin square plus cos square 1 plus 2ab, 2 sin theta cos theta. Next, the same. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is Now next you write sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. Sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. By using this we can write a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2a. That's why we write. So 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Next, the same way, sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. This can be written as sin square whole cube plus cos square whole cube. A cube plus b cube. A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. By using that identity, we are going to get. Okay, so you have to remember always. Sin power 4 plus cos power 4 is 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 sin square cos square theta. Base. Okay. Now from this we write a cube plus b cube. So a plus b whole cube sin theta plus cos theta whole cube minus 3ab into 3 sin theta cos theta into a plus b is equal to q. Already we got p cube minus 3 into sin theta into p is equal to q. From this, squaring on both sides, we get 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to p. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to p minus 1. So now here substitute here p cube minus 3 by 2 into p minus 1 into p is equal to q. So expand it. P cube minus 3p square plus 3p is equal to 2q. Next, 1 plus 2 sin p cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Here we take p common, p of p square minus 3 into, instead of here we have sin theta into cos theta is equals to p. Sin theta into cos theta into p is equal to q. So 3p into sin theta cos theta means p square minus 1 by 2 is equal to q. Here, right. Next, p cube minus 3p square here p cube minus 3 into p into p square minus 1 by 2 is equal to q. Next, 2p cube minus 3p square cube minus 3p plus 3p is equal to 2q. So minus p cube plus 3p is equal to 2q. Then p cube minus 3p is equal to minus 2q. P of p square minus 3 is equal to minus 2q. This is the answer. Next. Cut chesi adinga.